dip me underway. You can kill me on my first flow, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
What's up? I'm here with Arabella hair today. So the bag is not branded, unfortunately, but you know, this is the packaging for today's wig. But yes, so I got a goodie bag in here. Then I got the wig with the bag. And that's everything that came in the drawstring bag. So we're gonna see what's in the goodie bag first. I got a pair of wig caps. I also got a edge brush and comb. Right. Then a pair of lashes. And those are really minimal and nice. Then I also got one of the like hairline headbands, and it's branded Arabella hair. And then finally in here I got a like bedazzled clip, and it's like a leaf. It's really cute. You could do it like a side part and just kind of put this to one side of your hair. This would be really nice. I have this gorgeous highlighted Bodywave 13x4 lace front wig hair. So as you can see, this is very bouncy, very bouncy and full. Love that. Came with like a nice center part, even though it's a free part, so you don't have to worry, because you could go ahead and part it anywhere else that you wish. It's very lightly pre-plucked, so you could definitely go in and pluck it further if you wish, but it's also very flat, so if you wish to install it just as easy, you don't have to worry, because you will get a very nice flat realistic install just the same. All right. Color job is very pretty, you know, it's very nice. It's standard. It's a standard look so far. The waves, they're giving what they're supposed to give, you know, it's that nice classic body wave vibe. And let me show you inside of the wig. So this is the inside of the wig. Regular lace that we're working with. You could go ahead and tint it and bleach it further if you wish. And there's a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, 1 at the back and 3 here at the front. And then there's also a like extra elastic band in there for more security, and there are 2 adjustable straps in the very back. So that's how that looks. Oh, so I actually mistaked the parting for a center part. It's a side part, so I'm gonna go with the flow of keeping it to the side, especially since, you know, it's been a minute since I've done a really nice little side part vibe. So I'm gonna keep it, you know, to the side. And then yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I'm working on applying this with my Ebony Wonderlace Bond spray, and that's how it looks. As I said, it's not deeply plucked, but you know, it's not dense. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean. Like, I've worked with so many wigs over the years. Like, you have wigs that are not like pre-plucked, but like you definitely need to go in and pluck because they'll be so full and dense and thick. This is not like super dense and thick at all, so it's really easy to, you know, not have to create a, you know, very noticeable graduation in order for it to still look natural. So I love that.
Dip me underway. You can kill me on my first flow, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until
I'll just fast forward through this portion, as you guys know, and get this lace laid.
send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, babe, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice low. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
I'm done with laying it, and yeah, I'm not gonna do no baby hairs. Just have my little sideburns. So what I want to do actually is, it's been a while. I want to do that 90s swoop. So that's what I'm gonna do in the front here. I'm gonna just, you know, take my time and kind of swoop everything to the back, and then I'll also take this piece here, and then I'll kind of just put those two pieces together in the back so it can lay really nice and flat. So you could go through this really thoroughly with your hot comb. And I said, this portion is really not that dense, so I don't want this to be too greasy either, so I'm not gonna be adding too much product to it. So what I can say so far dealing with the hair and just kind of styling it and stuff is that, you know, it's processed. So based on, you know, the processing and stuff, I guess, from coloring it and all, like, it's not the silkiest for sure, I can tell you that. But as I said, it's standard, it's decent, you know, it's decent. I love how full it is. I really do love how full it is. So they really did well with that. I'm very pleased with the density and the consistency of that. Yeah, the movement is really beautiful as well. And I also feel like it's very true to length. As I said, it's 24 inches long. So yeah. So also I noticed because that it's on the corset side, it can become a little bit like easier to tangle. So you want to be very delicate when you're styling it and stuff. So I'm just going to take my time to comb it out. So this is the hair. You see what I'm saying? It's very nice and full, and you know, I love that. Like, it's very full. The density, really nice. Color job, you know, just give it that nice pop. It looks really good. It's, even though it's not like as silky, like it's still soft. It still has a softness to it, so I love that. Pretty easily. It looks really good. What I'm gonna do is make my parting area here a little bit more precise. You see how nice and simple, like I didn't do too much, so the swoop kind of looked a little bit more effortless and stuff. So that's really cute. Right in the parting, that's how it's looking. It's so neat and effortless. Let me know what you guys think. It came out really nice and neat. It's not too like, it's giving that nice realistic soft vibe that I was looking for. So shout out to Arabella. As I said, it's a pretty standard wig. Shedding, yes, there definitely is shedding, so be mindful of that. All right, be mindful of that. Also, I did cut away from the ear portion, so that will definitely accelerate shedding. If you don't have to do that, it won't be as much. So just to know that as well. But apart from that, yeah, if you're looking for a nice highlighted wig that is not too loud, because these streaks are not loud at all, they're really nice and just right, like, you know, you're not trying to do too much, but you're still trying to make like a pop. That's what this is giving. So I love the look. Let me know what you guys think. As usual, I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as the specifications. They will be down there, so go ahead and check that out if you want this wig for yourself. Yeah, that's it. Looking good. Love it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. That's it for today's wig look. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Mountain, climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. Reach right into the